I step inside the courtroom. This wasn't a trial, but it felt like one. My testimony held a lot of power, and it was the determining factor if Tamar would be charged. Tamar is on the stand being questioned. Tamar is denying everything, and the district attorney calls me to the stand. I'm nervous and I don't know what questions they may ask. The bailiff takes out a Bible and I'm sworn in to tell the truth. I always wondered what's the point of the court making people swear to the Bible if they don't believe in it. That's another topic for another day. The district attorney asks me, "What did you see on the night of question, Melissa?" I say, "Nothing." The district attorney says, "Really? You know perjury is a serious offense, Melissa? Lying on stand under oath could get you 2 to 3 in prison? Are you sure you want to go this route?" I'm nervous as hell and I begin to freeze up. I look at Kathy and she nods her head and I say, "I didn't see anything." The district attorney says, "Melissa, you were standing out there when Tamar fired those shots at your husband. Shouldn't Tamar pay for what she did?" I say, "Look, everything is a blur and it happened so fast." That's all I got to say. The district attorney says, "No more questions, I'm done with this witness." The judge says, "Does the state have any more witnesses?" The district attorney says, "Yes, Judge, we want to call Brian to the stand." I was just about to leave the courtroom until I heard Brian's name being called. I've been looking for Brian and it seems like the police snatched him up. I was desperate to hear his testimony. I look at Kathy and she's in total shock. Neither Kathy or Tamar was expecting this move by the district attorney, and it's about to go down. After being sworn in, the district attorney gets right to the point and says, "Brian, could you point out the person who shot you in the night of questioning?" Brian says, "Yes, it was that bitch right there, my sister-in-law Tamar." The judge slams his gavel and says, "Order in the court, please watch your language in the courtroom, sir." The district attorney says, "Are you sure this is the woman?" Brian says, "I'm 100% sure." The district attorney says, "That's all I need, Judge." The judge says, "I need a 10-minute recess and I'll come back with my decision on whether or not the court will charge the defendant." 10 minutes later, the judge comes back and smacks his gavel. The judge looks at Kathy with a grin and says, "The court has decided to release the defendant Tamar and not pursue any charges." That is all. The court goes into an uproar and everybody is in shock. Tamar is released immediately. To be continued.